is a great recipe to use that little bit of chocolate that you have left over from dipping. All right, this is a fruit and nut bark recipe. Since it is Christmas, I'm gonna have more cherries and pistachios than everything else, and my bowl is not big enough. Oops.
Well, you know that's going to be good when the bowl's not big enough.
Okay, then we got our apricots and our green pumpkin seeds. And then we have our mixed nuts. Oh my goodness. This is going to be delicious. A little bit more green. Okay.
I assume you can vary what kind of fruits and nuts.
You can put whatever you want. You could do cranberries if you want. You could leave something out. You could add sunflower seeds. Leave any of the nuts that you want. Oh, doesn't that look festive?
It looks very festive.
That looks festive. Okay. And I got my chocolate all melted. So we're gonna blop. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. You know what? We're gonna change. I was gonna do them in blobs, but let's just make it a bark and just break it up. I think that would be better. Easier. Okay. Now, got all kind of even.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness, doesn't that look delicious?
It's really good.
Okay, so now we're going to let this all get hardened, and then we're going to break it apart. You might go in and just tap it in there so that it gets all set up. Oh, this looks so good. Okay, and I don't even like chocolate. Okay, I do like chocolate, just I like white chocolate better, but...
You don't like chocolate?
Well, I mean, I like chocolate. It's just if I had a choice, I would pick white over. Okay, look at that. Oh.
Wow.
Okay, maybe I do like chocolate. Oh my goodness, I love dried fruit and nuts. That's a 10 out of 10.